our buddies at Cheez-It, little square cracker cheese things. Well, this summer they came out with a pretty cool line of branded merch that's available on their store. You can check it out. They have got sweatshirts, they've got t-shirts, they've got a pickleball set, they've got a beach towel, they've got a really cool square cheese floaty, nail polish, that's kind of weird, some stickers, more t-shirts, looks like a Flava Flav chain. Let's see, Flava Flav, yeah, it's a big old neck chain to wear. Red on one side, yellow on the other. That's pretty funny. Yeah, they've got all kinds of cool stuff. A 12-ounce mug, I guess that's for tomato soup. Ooh, the socks are awesome. Oh, there's a big blanket. Man, there's all kinds of stuff on here. If you like Cheez-Its, this is really good. Oh, this Hawaiian shirt's fantastic. I'm all about a loud Hawaiian shirt. That's really cool. Cheez-Its all over it. But this sweatshirt they have is kind of deceiving. You might remember we talked about Jollibee Foods a while back, and they have a shirt that's got a different color pocket, and they also print on the shirt, and then they sew the pocket on. So this one I can't tell. You know what? Now that you mention it, maybe that's not a real pocket either. But this one does not look like an actual pocket to me. It looks like it's printed on the shirt itself, which may or may not be true. I don't know that. I don't know if it's got actually a pocket. If you look at all the description and everything, it does not mention a pocket at all. Perfect for daily wear, just lounging around, run small. Remarkable soft fleece, size guide. Nothing about having a pocket, so I don't know if it has a pocket. However, still a awesome looking sweatshirt. And these guys have been knocking it out. A few months ago, they came up with a promotion where they took over as a closed diner that just was out of business. They took it over for a week and they transformed it into the Cheez-It diner. And it was called the Cheese Inn. And it had a jukebox that only accepted crackers for payment, which is kind of funny. They had mac and cheese on the menu. They had cheeseburgers on the menu. They had some kind of chicken tenders that had Cheez-Its involved, a grilled cheese. But they also had a milkshake. I don't know about that. But anyway, it was open for hungry road trippers and New York residents for a week-long run in the Catskills. That's a big vacation spot, so I'm sure they got a lot of traffic from that. But it looked really cool. The diner was a retro design with theme decor, and this jukebox had only took Cheez-It crackers. That's kind of funny. And they also, sold all kinds of souvenirs. This is kind of like we did a story on this a few months ago where they took over a gas station in Joshua Tree, California. They opened up a filling station with a cracker dispensing pump in Joshua Tree, and that looked pretty cool. They had all kinds of fun stuff going on there. Postcards and all kinds of merch and souvenirs, and this big guy with the Cheez-It pump in his hand. Oh, here's the merch store. Really cool. They're really awesome the way they do their stuff. So shout out to Cheez-It. And shout out to Amanda Hoffman on LinkedIn. She is the one that kind of, they also had nail polish, which is weird. If you bite your nails, does it taste like Cheez-It? I don't know. But anyway, Amanda does company stores. If you need a company store or something, hit her up. But she's always putting up reviews and interesting merch things that you find out there in the wild. So she's a good one to follow if you're into this kind of thing. So Cheez-Its, great merch, cheesy snacks. I'm all about it. Thanks for watching, y'all. YouTube's going to show you one more video. Sorry. How's it? Over here? It's over here. Thanks for watching, y'all. YouTube's going to show you 2 more videos right here. Pick one of those. What a mess. What a deal. End.